Hey, this is Dave the Guitar Guy. I'm not doing guitar today. I've got a 2017 Chevy Cruze side view mirror replacement, and there's only one other video on there where they have the glass window. Most of them have the plastic trim on there, and there's only 3 bolts. You need to pop that plastic trim off and pop those 3 bolts off. This mirror goes inside the door. You can see that. I'm kind of sitting here at a weird angle, but there's not many videos on how to do this. So I've got the door panel off, and I'm trying to marry 2 videos that are on YouTube right now. One guy shows how to take this panel off the proper way and put it back on. The other guy shows how to install this mirror. So basically you need a 7mm and a 10mm socket set to get the door panel off. You could take this cover off with a screwdriver, just pry it off. There's just a couple little clips on there, but there's a 7mm bolt in this hole, another 7mm bolt in that hole, and there's another little cover right here for the door handle. You pop that cover off and there's another 7mm bolt. So you got 3 so far. Don't forget, down below the speaker there's a 7mm bolt right underneath the speaker. So you take those 4 bolts off and use a screwdriver, pry from the back of the door first, and you just kind of wiggle it until you pop it up. Now here's the trick. When you get your mirror replaced, you just peel this silencer cover off. And what I did was I stuffed some paper towels down in there so the bolts don't fall down into the door. Otherwise, just use a magnet with an extension. And you need, 2 10mm bolts in there. That's all there is. And you just replace the, the harness, and you have to feed it through down to the right. Excuse me, somebody just walked up on me here. You got to feed it over to the right or it'll get stuck down in the door panel this way. But anyway, here's the real trick to putting the door back on. I couldn't do it yesterday and I spent hours on it. The other guy's video shows this, removing a door panel on a 2017 Chevy Cruze. But when you get the door panel off, these little clips here, there's 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These clips will be stuck in your door panel along with the weather stripping. Make sure that the felt side of the weather stripping is pointing out. Pull this weather stripping out of the channel of the door, which it'll be stuck in here because of those clips. Pull it out through the front, get your weather stripping out, then pop each clip out of the door panel with a flathead screwdriver. You pop under the tab, pull it towards you, and they'll pop out. Then you put these clips back on. Now this is before the weather stripping. You got that off to the side. You put these clips on, and you'll see the 6 spots they go, and they look just like that. So you put those clips back on, then you can put your weather stripping back on, and then your door will easily pop back on. But just make sure that you raise your door lock handle through the hole, because if you forget to do that, you're taking the door panel off again. And that should pretty much be it, guys. And then just put your 4 7mm bolts back into those 4 spots. Don't forget the one under the speaker. And short and sweet, but I hope that helps some folks out. Thanks. Take care. Bye.